I'm making fire jail. I'm making fire jail.
Today, class, we're going to look at my sabotage. Sabotage! Also, I'm dealing with anxiety. It's like, can I go to sink? Please? See, all the feeling, man. Okay, go on.
You want to keep chasing your dreams. We make sure you never have to stop.
Neil Lane designs jewelry for Hollywood's biggest stars. And with his vintage-inspired collection at Kay Jewelers, he designs them for the star in your life.
It's based on an Art Deco design. Over 50 diamonds, all hand-set.
Alright, let's do
Design
this.
it to be beautiful, then make it perfect.
Neil Lane Bridal at Kay, the #1 jewelry store for
Attention! We have a rare fire jail. Big fire somewhere. Please enjoy your bowling school down. Please go away and get out of the school impossible. This is a big booty
What are you doing?
Sitting down in my chair.
This is gonna help too.
What are you doing?
I'm watching a video.
Oh, great.
Don't forget to watch our second.
Get outside quick! There's a
Don't
voice up
forget.
there, so he said. But stay outside. I'm gonna get a fire truck coming
On
soon.
new channel.
You guys just caught the fire? Yes. There's a fire jail. Alright. Boys, let's move in the ground.
Oh, kick off the anthem. You can watch it downstairs. You can watch your stupid.
No. No, you can watch upstairs. I'm not doing anything.
There's no fire.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I'm not an idiot, you know.
The whole school is thinking, well, what's the fire? What's the fire? This is a prank. What? Where's the fire? This is a prank? What? What do you mean there's not fire? I don't know. You gotta be a kid.
Oh,
Not fire.
jeez.
Oh. Oh. What? What's the fire? Sorry, it's no fire. I got a fire. There's no fire. So, you made a fake fire jail? I'm so sorry. You're bad for school. I'm hiding there. Fuegos? Oh, this is Emily Oligo's parents. Yes. Apparently, he made a fake fire jail. Go use them now. And this is a fake fire jail now. He said, you go on the ground, you go to jail. You're bad for school about 10 weeks.
You going on this?